Morning everyone, this is Az Mohammad Khan and I welcome you in today's segment. Today we will discuss one important concept that is known as nutrition. Nutrition is essential for the life student. All the living organisms need food for their survival, and with the help of that they get the energy, they grow, and they also fight against the disease. What is food, student? Food is organic substance, and the process by which all the living organisms get their nourishment, this process is known as nutrition. Means the process by which living organisms take their nourishment, and that nourishment is taken in the form of food, student. And what is food? Food is organic substance, means carbon containing substance that we take in the form of carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamins and minerals. Now nutrition involves the different steps, student. One by one we will discuss about those steps. First is I D I. These are the steps, student. First is I for ingestion. D for digestion. A for absorption. This A for assimilation. This E for egestion. Now first, ingestion. It is the step of the nutrition, student, in which the food is taken by the living organism with the help of different organs. Like we take the food via our buccal cavity and we intake that food. After intaking, the process that takes place in the nutrition, it is digestion, student. Means digestion is the process in which the complex food that is taken by us is converted into simpler form with the help of different biochemical reactions. And after the digestion, student, that simple form of the food is absorbed inside our body. And where it is absorbed, student, it is absorbed in our small intestine. And in our small intestine, student, there are the finger-like projections are found. And those finger-like projections are known as villi. Next process, student, assimilation. Assimilation is the important process in which the food it is utilized for the different purposes. It is used for the different purposes like growth, repair, protection from the disease. For the growth, it is used. Assimilation is the process, and in the assimilation there are the many metabolic activities take place, student. Metabolism process taken place in the assimilation. And in this process, student, there is the waste substances are produced or waste substances are released, and those waste substances are removed with the help of the step of the nutrition that is known as egestion. This process is known as egestion, student. Egestion is the process from which the waste material is removed by our body. So these are the steps of the nutrition. Now we come on the type of the nutrition. There are mainly two types of nutrition, student. First is autotrophic, second is heterotrophic. Now auto means self, trophic means nourishment. It is the mode of the nourishment, student, in which the living organisms make their own food. And which type of living organism make their own food, student? The living organism that have greenish pigment in their cell in the form of chlorophyll. And the process that is involved In the autotrophic mode of nutrition, student, it is photosynthesis, and about this we will study in detail in our next segment. And it is the mode of nutrition, student, it is found in the algae, means in the algae it is found. All the algae have this mode of nutrition. All the green plants have this mode of nutrition, autotrophic, and the process that is involved in this, it is photosynthesis. Now the next mode of nutrition, it is known as heterotrophic mode of nutrition, student. Heterotrophic mode of nutrition is categorized into three types, because hetero means other, trophic means nourishment, means it is the different mode of nourishment, student, in which the living organism take the ready-made food. And the first mode of nutrition, holozoic. In this, the ready-made food is taken by the living organism, student, and that food is digested by them inside the body of the living organisms. For this, there are many digestive organs are found inside the body of the living organism, student, and with the help of that, the living organism do the digestion, and after the digestion, absorption takes place. Next is saprophytic mode of nutrition. It is the mode of nutrition, student, in which the living organisms like bacteria or fungi take their nourishment with the help of dead or decaying material, student, especially with the help of biodegradable waste, and they do the digestion outside their body, means bacteria and fungi digest their food outside from their body. And how do they digest, student? They secrete the digestive juice on the dead and decaying material, and with the help of that they digest it, means they convert it into complex to simpler. When the food becomes simpler, after that they absorb it, and this mode of nutrition is known as saprophytic mode of nutrition. And the living organism that have this mode of nutrition are known as saprotrophs, and it is found in bacteria and fungi, student. Now we come on the next, it is parasitic. Parasitic mode of nutrition is the mode of nutrition, student, in which the living organism take the ready-made food and they directly absorb the digested food from the other living organism, and in this they take the food from the host, means they took the food from the living organism on which they are found. And this mode of nutrition is found in the leech, lice, amerbale or cuscuta, or liver fluke, tapeworm, ascaris. These all living organisms have the parasitic mode of nutrition, in which they completely depended on other living organism for the food, and they suck the digestive juice from those living organisms. That's why this mode of nutrition is known as parasitic mode of nutrition. So holozoic mode of nutrition is found in the animals like human, cat, buffalo, amoeba. It is found. Saprophytic is found in bacteria and fungi. Parasitic is found in leech, lice, bug, mosquito, and it is also found in one plant that is known as amerbale or cuscuta. So it is about the nutrition, student. In our next segment, we will study about the autotrophic mode of nutrition. So thank you very much and have a pleasant day.